Hi there, it's Victoria from Prodio. In this video, I will show you everything that you need to know about the Workers tab in our system. Remember that in Prodio, worker is anyone who registers their work on each manufacturing task and also can register their clock in and out from company. To open Worker tab, you have to go to Settings and then find Workers. It will show us the tab with all of the employees and information about them that we already have in system. Some columns may be empty, just like in my example, job position. You can freely customize the table view. Do this by clicking Adjust at the right corner. From there, you can hide any column by clicking the eye icon or change the order. When you have made every of the adjustments that you needed, just save, and that's all. You can also filter or search within the table. This is useful if you want to find a specific person. You can also export this table to CSV or Excel. To add a new worker, you have to click orange button Add at the right corner and fill all of the information about him. Name and PIN are mandatory fields. The PIN is required that the employee can register their work on production schedule or when entering and leaving the company. Rest of the fields are optional, but they can still be very useful. For example, work hour price will affect the calculation of production cost. You can also add a photo of the employee. QR RFID file will be filled automatically. This allows you to generate barcodes for employees, which they can use as an alternative method of registration. This field is also necessary if you want to assign a key fob to an employee. You can find more information about it in the description of this video. After entering all the information about our worker, just save, and he will also appear here. Here you can also generate the QR codes, which serves as an alternative way for the employees to clock in. Keep in mind that your device needs to have camera for this function to work. You can do the same with barcodes, but note that in this case a camera won't be enough. A scanner is required to read these codes. If you end cooperation with one of your workers and no longer need their profile in Prodio, you should just deactivate them. Remember that you can't delete an employee from Prodio, as this would create gaps in work history where they have already clocked in on various production orders. To deactivate one of the worker, go to Action column and click the I Deactivate. He will disappear from this view. If you still want to see the activated workers in the list, simply switch Show Inactivate above the table, and they will appear again. You can also see the information about the available workers. That's the number of the employees you can still add to your system. This limit depends on the subscription plan that you currently have in Prodio. And that's all that you need to know about managing the workers in Prodio. Remember that if you have any more questions, just let us know and we'll be very happy to help you. And that's all for today, so see you next time.
That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.